It's jerky season. And you know what that means? And no, we're not heading out to the store. We're making our own, right at home, with the WESTON Brand's Food Dehydrator machine. Out of the box, and you've got the Food Dehydrator machine from WESTON Brands. And it looks a lot like a rice cooker. But I wouldn't go throwing in a cup of basmati just yet. It comes with these 4 stackable trays to maximize drying space, as well as a glass lid, so you can watch your food shrivel and dehydrate. There's 4 temperature presets, 100 degrees Fahrenheit for herbs or herbs, 125 degrees for vegetables, 135 for fruits, and the temperature we're really interested in, 160 degrees for delicious jerky. Since we don't have any local hookups for elk or venison, hint, hint, we went ahead and seasoned some beef strips. But when it comes to jerky, any meat can be transformed into a delicious, chewy treat. Calm down, Dahmer. As the dehydrator goes to work, it makes sure the airflow is even without having to rotate the trays. And having a glass lid on this thing is awesome. You can check on the progress without disrupting the airflow. For jerky, you're going to want to give it at least 7 to 8 hours. And here's some we prepared earlier. The Food Dehydrator from WESTON Brands is easy to use thanks to its clear instructions, 1-dial temperature gauge, and no unnecessary tech add-ons. Instead of food being spoiled, a few hours in here and you've got not only tasty treats, but the house smells amazing. The only problem with this thing is when it comes to fruit. You'll want to ignore any of the recommended times and just check in on your pineapples and grapes from time to time. We're going to give it a 9 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $60.45. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. And the rules? Well, they couldn't be any simpler. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hashtag we hid somewhere in today's review. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. And if you want more exclusive Review to You content and perks, such as badges, emojis, and members-only giveaways, then become a member of our Winner Circle. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and that link up on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, and we've got a merchandise store now. You can check that out down below on the right. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys next time.